Shifting focus to some other stories from around the world, now Europe and much of Asia are battling record-breaking heat waves. But policymakers and energy markets are already focused on a much bigger concern: the coming winter. The war in Iran and continued supply disruptions in the Gulf have slowed the recovery of global natural gas supplies, leaving many import-dependent countries unable to refill their gas storage ahead of the peak heating season. Analysts warn that strong winter demand combined with limited LNG availability could trigger another wave of sharp energy price increases. According to Wood Mackenzie, favorable weather earlier this year created a sense of false security. But the current supply outlook points to a difficult winter for gas importing nations. The biggest challenge is the shortage of LNG cargoes. Qatar, one of the world's 3 largest LNG exporters, suffered significant damage to its export infrastructure early in the conflict, with full restoration not expected until late 2027. At the same time, disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz have slowed the movement of available LNG shipments. Iran, which is the world's 3rd largest gas producer in the world, is also seeing natural gas production plummet by 230 million cubic meters. Well, the impact is already visible in prices. Over the past week, European spot natural gas prices surged nearly 26%, while US gas prices remained relatively stable. European benchmark gas prices are now more than 7 times higher than US prices and over 50% above their June lows, highlighting the growing supply imbalance. Europe's gas storage remains only slightly above 50% of the capacity in late July, well below the level needed to comfortably prepare for winter. Wood Mackenzie estimates that even under its best-case scenario, storage may reach only 75% by November, far short of the 90% target. That means Europe may have to pay higher prices to secure LNG cargoes, effectively diverting supplies away from lower-income importers such as Bangladesh and Pakistan, where gas shortages are already leading to power disruptions. Analysts also warn that if supplies tighten further, some European countries may have to consider gas rationing. With Qatari LNG exports expected to remain constrained for years, the current supply shock could extend well beyond the winter.